Alright traders, good morning. It's just on 10:30 here. What I'm going to do is, well, I won't be trading anymore this week, so I'll do an update on how the week went as well and how the month is going too. So I did mention that, and I have been backtesting a lot and things like that, but I took a couple of trades that I do want to talk about. So we've got the gold trade. So I did get long here. I did get long. I believe it was here, and then I got out around there. So, and it sort of hasn't continued with the rally, which is unfortunate. But I had this stop pretty low, but I moved it as things were sort of consolidating here. It got into a little bit of profit at one point, but what I've been doing is deviating from the plan a little bit. So I'm just gonna, next week I'm gonna completely just backtest. So because I'm not, not really doing what I've tested. So I'm in uncharted territory. So when I lose, it's, am I doing a system that has a high win rate or a low win rate? I'm not sure because I haven't tested it. So I mean, I'm in the deep end with no idea sort of what's going on. So it's not, it's a bit of a cycle of doom situation here. So I'll leave that be. So, and now Aussie yen is what I talked about, a buy trade on this. Let's have a look what it's doing now. So I'm not completely disappointed with the Aussie yen because the sell was here. That's, pretty valid. It's a nice breakthrough. Here's not quite. Just looking at that, because it's a zone, so it is through resistance, but you can find it can just sort of bounce back up again, and it can get a bit messy. So they really confirmed it there, but I got it probably a little bit late. But if I got it at the low there, which is what I do, it's still, I wouldn't be in profit. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with, yeah. So the Aussie yen isn't really. I was talking about longing this, but not really. Looks like the Aussie dollar's easing off a little bit. I'll bring the Aussie dollar up as well. Definitely going to sip the coffee. Okay, this is where we're at now. This right here is interesting. So, and I've talked about having a short bias on the Aussie dollar for a while, but it's a bit of a weak bounce is what I would call. And I don't know if you can hear the phone there. I've got trading friend from the Gold Coast. He's messaging me anyway. I'll let that go. It just captures the rawness of trading. You've got things going on, and the Aussie dollar's pretty good though. So what interests me is this is obviously an area where there's a lot of traders going, okay, like there's some buying pressure, and if it breaks through here and retests, then because there's a potential sell. Now I understand. I just said no live trading, so I'm just pointing this out though. I do like to be in trades when I say I'm going to be in trades, but the situation is it's just a little inappropriate right now. I'm in a bit of a trading slump, so I'm going to have a week off. Still watch the charts, just not be an active participant. So, all right, so that's that. Soybeans. Was I looking at soy? Let's bring up soybeans. Okay. So the daily charts look like soybeans. This must have been to do. I think Connor and I were having a discussion, or someone, not Connor, because there's a lot of unbought soybeans in the US still with the China situation, but it's just interesting to see what it's doing. Got a nice little sell off there. See, trends aren't dead. I mean, I don't know what the spread is on this though. It's not that bad. I mean, it's like 2 pips or whatever. I didn't really trade soybeans. So. Euro US dollar. Alright, so that's not really. See the daily? That is messy, man. That is a messy chart. I'm just gonna have to stay out of that. It's sort of, you know, it's making high highs, but there's some it's right up against that resistance level, so I'm gonna bypass that for now. Aussie yen through Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is probably like the chart to watch for me. That's yeah, that's interesting. So I got a bit of a dry throat. I'm just gonna have some water as well. Let's look at the pound here on the daily. So this is interesting. Alright, let's just, yeah. Well, whilst it's still below, you know, that area, it's something to watch. So that's my thought on that. If you're new to the channel, and you watched that gold video, you would have seen at the start of the video, I always explain the outcome of my trade, so I'm big on that. So it didn't work out. Yeah, I don't mind the pound either if it can do a little retest to that level. That's yeah, it's not too bad. USD CAD, and I want to look at the USD yen as well. Okay, not, you know, terrible, but not, you know, great. USD yen. Let's just go through a few. It's, you know, let's just see what it's doing. Yeah, USD yen. It does these games where, you know, run up. Really, the entry was, what's hard to enter there when you've got that to deal with that. So maybe here. Anyway, USD Swiss. And then I'll do, let's do this now. So it's USD Swiss. Yeah, so just from scanning everything, just from my point of view, the Aussie dollar and the pound are sort of the ones to watch. Aussie dollar as well and the pound, they still have pretty shaky fundamentals. The Aussie dollar does. As like a longer term short, most definitely with the inflated property values in property prices in Melbourne and Sydney. So when people start getting squeezed a bit, you know, the RBA doesn't have to lower rates. You know, the bank will just do what it wants to do, and it has to protect itself. And it's, you know, probably just raise interest rates if it has to. It's, you know, risk management's like, we got to do this. A lot of people are interest-only loans. You could see a little bit of you know, panic stations. So something to watch for. All right, let's bring this out. Now I've got to update the YouTube, but I do have a working link now for this. So as you can see, the month is in the year. I was running another account at the start of the year as well. Alright, so there we go. There it is. There it is. So it's still, you know, Aussie yen and gold. And that's it. So we'll see what the rest of the month brings. If the Aussie dollar does break, like, I mean, I probably will have to short it, so yeah. Anyway, and I'm still waiting for the funds to get. So I took 1,000 out of this account and I put it into Lupus Proprietary Trading want me to fund a live account with MEX. So I'm just still waiting for the funds to get onto the account, which is good. It hasn't happened today. So that's going to be, I think it's 1 month of demo first, which I'll still short the Aussie dollar on the live account though. I mean, because if it goes through there, yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now, and have a great weekend. I will try and do another video tomorrow. If I don't, it's just I work very late and then I start like midday tomorrow. So if I don't make a video, that's why. So Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.